Greetings, fellow traders. If you are looking for the next opportunity on gold, you have come to the right place, and it is going to be a massive short. So if you guys saw my last video on gold, you guys saw that I was bearish on gold from 1965, and I am still bearish on gold as we stand today. And I am probably going to be bearish on gold for the rest of the year. And let's get into the charts so that we can do some technical analysis and see what is going on. All right, so first off, we can see that there is a perfect breakup structure pattern going on with gold on the 1 hour time frame. We can see here there was a high around 2004, and then we had a low around 1982, and then we can see this continuation of lower highs and lower lows, and we don't see any change of character on gold. So this right here is just a nice confirmation for a bearish trend. And I love this setup that is forming on gold, because we could be looking at a 500 pip plus move on gold from the current price. I honestly believe by the end of the year, we should see gold somewhere around 1850. So this is a great time to start getting into some shorts, and you can take profit along the way, or you can have a long-term hold on gold. One of the great things that's nice about trading gold is if you sell gold because of the interest rates, you should receive a positive swap on selling gold. So even if you want to hold over long periods of time, depending on the broker you have, you'll be earning interest every day that you hold. So it just makes your profit even that much more. But getting back into it, we see a low here. We see a high at 1970, and 1970 has not been broken. And that was on the 7th of November. And then we just see the lows getting deeper. The highs are getting lower. And then recently, we had a low around 1932. So now you can kind of see we even had a little bit of a lower low as well. So this is perfect. So anytime you have a breakup structure pattern, you're always going to have a pullback, and that's perfectly fine. The thing that you want to watch out for is to make sure that the highs don't get higher. So far that hasn't happened, and it's just a perfect setup. So now you can kind of see we just had the next lowest high. So we're going to be looking at a new lower low. So with the current price being at 1946.23, we should be looking at a new lower low. I want to predict somewhere around, well, my indicator is saying around 1931, but I want to say maybe 1925 can be the next target. So from the current price to about 1925 is roughly 200 pips. So that should be reached between now and like maybe tomorrow. I think we have some news on the US dollar tomorrow, so that might help jumpstart it in the right direction. But for gold, this is a great time to get into, and my indicators are also on the same page. I use two supply and demand indicators, and the one that has this box, or you see these red boxes. These are selling order blocks from big institutional traders like banks, or individual traders that are using institutional trade sizes. So you can see here, for the most part, everyone is pretty bullish. And I'm sorry, bearish. And this is a time to sell gold. So thank you for all the new followers. I live, eat, breathe, dream, sleep Forex. You can go to my website, strive to be 1fx.com, and join my program. If you need help passing your prop firm challenges, I can help you with that as well. And I do that at no additional cost. So you get that just being a part of my program. And I will help you guys learn how to trade from start to finish as well. And my program teaches you everything you need to know from a technical standpoint and a fundamental standpoint. And once you become a member, you become part of my private group on Facebook, where I also give signals, trade ideas, and a ton of information. And you also get to communicate with me at any time you want through Facebook Messenger. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. I have some amazing stuff coming up. So make sure you enable your notifications and you follow so that you don't miss anything, because this end of the year is going to be full of massive trading opportunities, and I don't want you guys to miss out. All right, thanks for being here. Have a great one. See you guys in the next video.